Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your credit score with Experian easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Experian website at www.experian.com. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your Experian account using your credentials. Navigate to the credit score section on your dashboard. Review your current credit score displayed prominently. Understand the factors affecting your credit score, such as payment history and credit utilization. Check for any errors on your credit report by clicking on Credit Report. Dispute any inaccuracies directly through the Experian platform. Monitor your credit utilization by reviewing your account balances. Aim to keep your credit utilization below 30% of your total available credit. Set up reminders for upcoming bill payments to avoid late fees. Consider automatic payments for bills to ensure you never miss a due date. If possible, increase your credit limits on existing accounts. Avoid opening too many new accounts at once, as this can negatively impact your score. Use Experian's credit monitoring tools to track improvements over time. Review monthly updates to stay aware of any changes to your credit score. Implement additional financial strategies, like diversifying your credit mix. Schedule regular check-ins with your credit report to maintain accurate records. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to improving your credit score with Experian. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.